Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you everyone's favorite roasted chicken recipe, which is full of flavor and juicy at the same time. For making this recipe, we will need garlic cloves, pomegranate seeds powder, cinnamon powder, cumin powder, 3 to 4 bay leaves, red chili flakes, allspice powder, and 2 chicken legs. We start by pounding garlic in pestle and mortar. Crushing garlic like this gives it a wonderful aroma and intense flavor. Now we add 1 teaspoon of allspice powder to the garlic. 1 teaspoon ground cumin, cinnamon powder more or less according to your preference, dried pomegranate seeds, and mix them all together nicely to make a paste. Remove it in a separate bowl and add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Preheat the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken legs in a container and add salt and pepper according to your taste. Now we add the dry spices and garlic paste on the chicken legs and rub it very nicely on all the sides. Now place 3 to 4 bay leaves on top and drizzle some olive oil in the end. Now place it in the refrigerator for a few hours for better infusion of spices. I did not do it, but I suggest marinating it for at least 3 to 4 hours. Before roasting, add some clarified butter to give rich and creamy flavor to the chicken. Add some water from the sides of the tray to keep chicken moist. You can also use this chicken stock later on. Now place the chicken in an oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. When the chicken is half done, remove it from the oven and pour the juicy drippings on the top of the chicken to soak in all the flavors inside. Now place it again in the oven for the remaining time. When done, remove it from the oven. Place it on the plate and serve with green salad, onion rings, and a slice of lemon on top. Enjoy your hot, juicy, full of flavor roasted chicken legs. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.